Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Are you ready to transform your diet and supercharge your health? Today, we've got a real treat in store for you. Welcome to Healthy Diet, your go-to source for all things health and nutrition. But before we dive into today's mouth-watering topic, if you're looking to boost your well-being and discover some amazing foods that are not only delicious but also carb and sugar-free, then you're in for a real treat. Stick around because we've got some bonus tips towards the end that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's get right into it. We're about to unveil the top 30 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Say goodbye to empty calories and hello to a world of nutritious goodness. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we explore these fantastic foods that can help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Starting off strong with avocados, the creamy, green wonder. Followed by nutrient-packed broccoli, and the superfood powerhouse, blueberries. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've got an impressive lineup, including lean proteins, vibrant veggies, and even some surprising choices you might not have considered before. 1. Avocado. Avocado is not only creamy and delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and various vitamins. These nutrients support healthy skin, reduce the risk of heart disease, and promote overall well-being. 2. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that packs a punch when it comes to nutrition. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and antioxidants. This combination helps boost the immune system, supports bone health, and aids in skin regeneration. 3. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Additionally, it provides a high-quality protein source, making it beneficial for muscle repair and overall cardiovascular health. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all essential amino acids. They're also rich in vitamins like B12 and D, choline, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and cognitive function. 5. Chicken breast. Skinless chicken breast is a lean protein that's low in fat and carbohydrates. It's not only great for muscle development but also a versatile ingredient in many recipes, making it easy to incorporate into a balanced diet. 6. Cauliflower. Low in carbs and high in fiber, cauliflower is a versatile vegetable supporting digestion and offering a wide range of vitamins and minerals. 7. Broccoli. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that aids in digestion and overall well-being. 8. Zucchini. Low in carbs and calories, zucchini is a hydrating and nutrient-dense vegetable, ideal for weight management. 9. Kale. A nutrient-rich leafy green, kale is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is a potent antioxidant that supports overall health. 10. Cucumber. High in water content and low in carbs, cucumbers are a refreshing, hydrating choice that's great for snacking. 11. Bell peppers. Vibrant and high in vitamin C, bell peppers add color and nutrition to dishes while promoting immune health. 12. Asparagus. Low in carbs and rich in vitamins and fiber, asparagus aids in digestion and supports overall well-being. 13. Mushrooms. A source of vitamins and antioxidants, mushrooms can boost immune function and add flavor to meals. 14. Green beans. Low in carbs and high in fiber, green beans are excellent for digestion and a healthy gut. 15. Tomatoes. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, tomatoes are great for heart health and overall well-being.
16. Brussels sprouts. Packed with vitamins and fiber, Brussels sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse that supports digestion. 17. Arugula. A peppery leafy green, arugula is low in carbs and adds delightful flavor to salads. 18. Radishes. Crunchy and low in carbs, radishes are perfect for salads and snacking while supporting digestion. 19. Watercress, a nutrient-dense green. Watercress is high in vitamins and minerals, benefiting overall health. 20. Celery, low in calories and carbs. Celery is a crunchy, hydrating snack choice that adds a refreshing crunch to dishes. 21. Swiss chard, rich in vitamins and minerals. Swiss chard is a nutritious leafy green that supports overall well-being. 22. Bok choy, a low-carb leafy vegetable. Bok choy is a staple in Asian cuisine, rich in vitamins and minerals. 23. Eggplant, low in carbs and high in fiber. Eggplant is a versatile ingredient for various dishes, supporting digestion. Eggplant is another fruit that people commonly consume as a vegetable. It has many interesting uses and is very high in fiber. Carbs, 5 g per cup or 6 g per 100 g. 24. Cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable. Cabbage is low in carbs and high in nutrients, aiding digestion and overall health. 25. Spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting immune support, bone health, and skin rejuvenation. 26. Flax seeds, a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Flax seeds support heart health and digestive regularity. 27. Chia seeds, loaded with fiber and healthy fats. Chia seeds aid in digestion and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are a popular health food. They contain high levels of many important nutrients and are usable in various low-carb friendly recipes. What's more, they're a rich source of dietary fiber. When looking at the listed carb numbers below, remember that about 86% of the carbs in chia seeds are fiber. Therefore, they contain very few digestible net carbs. Carbs, 12 g per ounce or 42 g per 100 g. 28. Walnuts, a nutritious nut high in omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are excellent for brain health and reducing inflammation. The walnut is another delicious type of nut. It contains various nutrients and is particularly high in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Carbs, 4 g per ounce or 14 g per 100 g. 29. Almonds, rich in healthy fats and protein. Almonds make for a satisfying snack that supports heart health. Almonds contain fiber and vitamin E and are a great source of magnesium. What's more, almonds are incredibly filling. Studies show they may promote weight loss. Carbs, 6 g per ounce or 22 g per 100 g. 30. Cottage cheese, a protein-rich dairy option. Cottage cheese aids in muscle repair and growth. It's a versatile food that complements various dishes. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, our list of the top 30 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. These foods aren't just delicious, they're the building blocks of a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video informative and exciting, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're dedicated to bringing you more incredible content on health and nutrition. Share this video with your friends and family so they can join us on this exciting journey to better health. Thank you so much for tuning in to Healthy Diet. Remember, your health is your wealth, so make these incredible foods a part of your daily routine. Until next time, stay well, stay happy, and stay tuned for more fantastic videos right here on Healthy Diet.